Hello, hello! Ready to learn more recipes from Vijay Mangam himself, the most happening nutritionist and fitness expert. We are ready! So what I love about Vijay Mangam's food is, aina ingredients chala simple ga untayi, you know, and it's tasty and it's healthy. Ekku time pattadu.
Exactly.
I just love your dishes. Yeah. So you ready, guys? Yes.
So shall we start?
Of course.
So the pan is ready. So let me keep without any oil. Just I am placing chicken pieces on my.
So that's
pan.
got salt and pepper.
Yeah, little salt and pepper. I marinated with salt and pepper.
Okay.
The ingredients are very simple and four different types of vegetables.
4 different type of vegetables.
4 different types of vegetables.
This has got broccoli. Okay.
Like cauliflower, olives and zucchini. Simple,
Nice.
just like and some coconut milk.
Of course.
Coconut milk and thyme and red chili peppers to taste. That's it.
Simple ingredients.
Yes. So before it gets stick to the pan, let me flip it.
Just what, 1-2 minutes?
1 minute tarvata flip chesi again same like previous recipe.
Correct.
4 minutes one side, 4
so
minutes.
So 1 minute this side, 1 minute this side, 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Done. Good to go.
I'm going to be such a good cook by the end of it. Sanjay is going to be super happy. What do you say, Vijay?
And, you know that I'm a big fan of Sanjay garu.
I can impress him with my new cooking skills. So 3 minutes this side, and now we flipped it.
Yeah, see the golden brown.
Nice.
That means it's cooked. That side. So we're gonna.
So you have to get that golden brown.
Golden brown. Yeah.
Can you see the golden brown?
Golden
see?
brown. Yeah.
Nice.
So let me make it some colorful.
Wow. So there's some capsicum, all color capsicum.
Yeah, all color
red,
capsicum.
yellow, green.
1 cup full.
1 cup full. Ah, already that color just adding so much to the dish.
Yeah, now it's so colorful and definitely taste wise. Now we are keeping some coconut milk.
Okay.
Full fat coconut milk. So lot of water will come out now. Lot of water.
So after it's completely done, 4 minutes this side and this side.
Tarvata
mana coconut milk.
Yeah.
Then it cooks in that coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Yeah, the flavors, everything.
What's this dish called, Vijay?
It's called Thai chicken.
Thai chicken.
Thai
with
chicken.
Our Indian touch.
Indian touch, yes. So we can add some more salt if we want, but no pepper. So we're gonna add some
what's thyme? Rosemary.
Oregano only.
Oregano.
Yeah, oregano.
Okay.
And little bit of thyme. Bit of thyme.
Thyme and oregano.
Lots and lots of red chili flakes.
Yummy.
So this will change the color of the
dish itself.
So the complete white will turn into a pinkish kind of color. So it's gonna be very
yummy. Coconut milk is super healthy, no?
Super
such
healthy,
a good fat.
Such a good fat.
And because see, such good fat, we don't need any oil, we don't need any other form of fat.
Any form of fat at all. This is gonna be very filling. You can go with steamed rice. We can go with a basmati steamed rice. It's gonna taste like heaven.
Wow, looks so good.
That's it.
Oh yeah, the color is changing, Vijay.
Yeah, color change because of that red chili flakes.
Nice.
Good to go.
That's it?
That's it.
And then how many minutes should it nicely cook in this coconut milk?
No, that's it.
Once that's it?
Adi ala boiling type. Okay,
2-3 minutes.
2-3 minutes.
And then you just garnish with all these things. Rosemary, pepper, oregano, whatever we feel like.
We can do that. But main ingredient in this here is red chili flakes.
Red chili flakes.
Red chili flakes.
That will give the color, the taste,
everything. Let
the
it
spice,
get settled down.
The spice that it requires.
Exactly. So I'm gonna serve in a serving bowl.
Oh, it's ready. Coconut Thai chicken curry.
Thai chicken curry, yeah.
Thai chicken curry, guys. It's ready. Wow. How good does this look?
So once we eat mindfully, no need of drinking water for this dish as well. So we should eat mindfully. We should enjoy the every flavor. So that means healthy ga unte emodante mana stomach will give signals to you.
Absolutely.
So we should always make sure our body is like respond to the signals. Our hormones madhyalo vaati yoka communication. That is why food is not just a fuel. It's a communicator. It's a information. Food is an information.
I totally agree, and this is a celebration.
Yes.
Food is a celebration.
Celebration, exactly.
With Vijay, it absolutely is.
Yeah.
And like he said, mano eppudaithe manchi food tintamo, you don't require drinking so much water. Urke dappikedu, dehydration taguddi.
Yeah, healthy food with known people, happy people. Automatically, food is an information.
Yeah.
So this will give a memories to for a lifetime.
Wow, that is so
deep. It's a very deep thinking actually. But that's what always we celebrate with food only. Right? Indian culture is all about celebrating with food.
Good food, and imagine when it is healthy.
Healthy.
We'll feel so energetic, and time to spend it with family, friends. Just totally enjoy this good food.
Yes. It will go very good with steamed rice again.
Steamed rice.
Yes.
So, try this, enjoy it, tasty, healthy, easy meal. All his meals are healthy, yeah? So fantastic. Vijay, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Yenni recipes nercheskunnam mano, you know?
Yes.
It's like, and he made it so easy and man complicated ga kaakunda, chala simple ga cheseskochu.
Yes.
Just like, you know, time lekunda మన ఆఫీస్ కి వెళ్ళినా కూడా బిఫోర్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్.
సో మనం నేర్చుకున్న లైక్ ఈ ఎవ్రీ మీల్ లైక్ హోల్ డే 3 మీల్స్ మనం చేసుకుంటే అట్లీస్ట్ 2 మీల్స్ తో స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి మనం. కరెక్ట్. సో అట్లీస్ట్ డిన్నర్ మనం రెడీగా ఉంటే వీ కెన్ ఎండ్ అప్ విత్ గుడ్ హెల్దీ డే అండ్ విత్ అ గుడ్ మీల్ అండ్ గుడ్ సాలడ్ దట్స్ ఇట్. సో వీ విల్ ఎనీవే వీ విల్ బి వెరీ కాన్షియస్ అండ్ మనకు హోల్డింగ్ కెపాసిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ టైంలో. సో వీ వోంట్ ఈట్ గో ఫర్ జంక్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ. సో ఇఫ్ వీ సెలబ్రేట్ విత్ ఎ గుడ్ డిన్నర్, గుడ్ సలాడ్, అండ్ అగైన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఫ్యూ వీక్స్ అది మీరు ఇండల్జ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత లైఫ్ స్టైల్ చేంజ్ అయిన తర్వాత స్టార్ట్ మేకింగ్ లంచ్ అండ్ డిన్నర్. సో దెన్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ
యూ విల్ ఫాల్ ఇన్ ట్రాక్.
సో న్యూట్రిషన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ every week one skill ganaka manam develop cheskunte by the end of 2 months you will acquire 8 skills. That's enough to master the nutrition, master the training, everything. You will become healthy, 100% healthy.
Oh my god, that's so exciting. And like he said, మనం ఎప్పుడైతే మంచి ఫుడ్ తింటామో our whole bodies will, like, you know, movement కానీ ఎనర్జీ కానీ everything.
Yeah, mostly we will become productive.
Yeah, we feel like moving.
Productive.
We'll go to the next level.
Yes.
And he's taught us so many. Ippudu manam inka excuses petti naaku time ledu, and he's also given us tips. Morning manamu meals anta prepare cheseskoni, you can carry it with you. Meer ekkadiki ellina kuda carry your dabba, you know. It's
don't
like,
use plastic.
Don't use plastic. Yeah. Meer manchi steel dabba.
Steel dabba. Yeah.
శుభ్రంగా దాంట్లో వేసేసుకోండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ గుడ్ ఫర్ డిన్నర్, లంచ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ టైమ్. వెరీ సింపుల్. వీ కెన్ ప్రెప్ ఆల్ దీస్ మీల్స్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, కుక్ our meals, take it with us wherever we're going. No more eating outside food, guys. Healthy eating ko cheddam.
Yes.
Suppose you don't have time, you can always order with ravioli.
Yes.
With Vijay.
Happy to serve you.
Yeah, with good food which is nutritious and healthy, and with so much love he does, because I know personally he does in the kitchen. You saw him. He's an expert cook. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you liked and loved the video, because you have to subscribe and share. Like I told you, please share something which is healthy and nutritious. So please do. Don't keep it to yourself. Send it out.
Spread the love.
Spread the love. Spread self-love. Eating healthy. Ravioli. Vijay Mangam. Okay, guys. See you.
Bye.
Bye.